The West Virginia Senate introduced a bill today that would amend the state's Human Rights Act and Fair Housing Act by adding the categories of gender identity or a sexual orientation for protection.
This bill falls under the proposed Fairness Act that we have previously covered, which would create anti-discrimination laws for all West Virginians. 13 News reporter Haley Kosick breaks down the bill's intentions. Haley?
Robin Merrily, right now, discrimination based on race, religion, color, national origin, ancestry, sex, and age, and blindness is banned under current state law. This bill would add 2 more groups to that list. Senate Bill 254 is a part of the proposed Fairness Act that's being reintroduced this legislative session. The bill would add legal protections based on gender identity and sexual orientation for things such as employment and housing. According to the Senate Democratic Caucus, bills like this have been previously introduced, but this is the first time a bill like this has made it this far, landing on the agenda today. Ultimately, under this bill, LGBTQ individuals cannot be fired, denied employment, and housing because of who they love and who they choose to be.
Golden rule, treat others like you want to be treated, and I believe West Virginians live by that, and that's all this bill does, is it says we ought to treat each other the way we want to be treated.
The bill has bipartisan support. In fact, it has more Republican support than Democratic.
I think that the message is that West Virginia is an inclusive state, and that anybody who wants to come back and be a part of West Virginia's comeback, then all are welcome.
Delegate John Mand recently posted his opposition to the Fairness Act on social media, saying there is nothing fair about it. It's nothing more than a wrongful appropriation of the civil rights movement to force a behavioral pattern into a legally protected class. Now, the bill has been sent to the Judiciary Committee since it oversees civil rights issues. Haley Kosick, 13 News, working for you. Robin Merrily.